Welcome to the future, where humans and AI agents team up like superheroes to tackle the growing to do list. Every company has more jobs to do than there are hands to do them. But don't panic. Agentforce is here to save the day. Think of it as your personal squad of autonomous AI agents ready to swoop in and handle those tasks you don't have time for. Picture this: an AI service agent that's not just a glorified FAQ bot, but a super smart helper that deflects support cases with conversational finish. Or an AI sales agent that hustles hard, reaching out to leads, answering questions, and even scheduling meetings before you have had your morning coffee. Maybe you need an AI sales coach that joins sales calls with your new reps, offering real time tips and objection handling like a boss. Now, let's break down what makes an Agentforce agent tick. There are 5 key ingredients you need to make one. Starting from the very first role, what jobs or tasks does the agent handle? Whether it's sales, service, or something else, define what you want it to do. Then comes the data. What can the agents access? It's not just numbers and spreadsheets. We are talking about call transcripts, emails, Slack convos, you name it, and it has it. Then actions. What can the agent actually do? This could be answering questions or executing complex business logic through flows, Apex, APIs, whatever you have already built. Then comes the most important one, guardrails. What can't the agent do? We obviously don't want rogue agents running amok. Thanks to the Einstein trust layer, we have data privacy tools and ethical guardrails to keep things safe. Think it as like data masking and toxic response filters. And the last one, channel. Where does the agent hang out? Whether it's WhatsApp, Slack, SMS, or even voice channels, you can define how your agent communicates with your people. The best part, you already have most of this infrastructure sitting inside your Salesforce org. Agentforce is like tapping into the awesome stuff you have already built and making it work even harder for you. Before we go any further, let's answer a big question. How are agents different from chatbots? Think of chatbots like those robots in old school sci-fi movies. Good for simple tasks, but not very bright. They can only answer questions they have programmed to know. Ask them something unexpected, and they will just shrug. But Agentforce agents, they are powered by large language models and generative AI, which means they can handle more complex tasks and understand what customers are asking. They will execute actions based on context, your CRM data, and your brand's personality. Just smart, autonomous action is what Agentforce is. And here's the real game changer. Agentforce works in every app. That's right. Service agents, sales agents, marketing agents, commerce agents. No matter what part of your business needs help, there's an Agentforce agent for that. And the question arises, how exactly the Agentforce is working? At the heart of this magic is the Atlas reasoning engine and the brain behind Agentforce. It figures out what your agent should do based on the task at hand, evaluates options, and loops back if it needs more data. Atlas doesn't just react, it acts, taking into account your business processes like workflows and automations to decide the best way forward. It's not just assistive, it's agentic, meaning it can take action on its own. Now, let's talk about how you can actually build these agents, because I know you would want to. Here comes Agentforce Studio, your new DIY toolkit for building, customizing, and launching your AI agents. It's low code and powerful, packed with 3 key tools: from Builder Model Builder, and Agent Builder. Prompt Builder lets you create templates for how your agents communicate, all grounded in Salesforce data. Model Builder allows you to train AI models or even bring in your own if you got a special one you like. And the Agent Builder gives you the power to design agents from scratch, integrating automation, APIs, and custom code to do exactly what you need them to do. The world's moving fast, and so should your business. With Agentforce, you are not just adding resources, but you're supercharging your operations. By blending the power of humans, AI, data, and actions, Agentforce is ready to transform your company into a futuristic, always on success machine. Now, let's dive into the demo and see how it all works. Alright, buckle up because in this demo, you will see how Agentforce can deflect incoming support cases like a pro. AI Service Agent is going to answer customer questions with ease. But wait, there's more. Let's up the ante by teaching the AI agent to schedule installation appointments for products too. But how? You can do this by adding a new topic. Topics are like the rule book for your AI agents. They define what they can do and what they can't do, and where the boundaries are. But since I'm feeling generous, we are expanding those guardrails by creating a shiny new topic. Now, if you have ever dabbled in building these old school chatbots with confusing dialogue trees, brace yourself because this is nothing like that. Forget those tree branches. Instead, we are using natural language descriptions to tell the AI what job needs to be doing. In this case, we'll be helping customers manage appointments. First, give the agent some instructions like get the customer's email, ask for a preferred installation date, or make sure the date is in the right format. And maybe don't let them schedule and install before the delivery date. And of course, confirm the appointment once it's booked. Easy peasy, right? If this was a chatbot, you would be swimming in if then else logic right now. But with Agentforce, it's all smooth sailing with simple descriptions. Next, we move to actions, magic that lets the AI actually do stuff. Actions can be based on flows, Apex classes, or even prompts. But let's keep the things chill for now. There's already a flow that's built in the system that retrieves available installation times and another one that actually books the appointment. And both of them is something that we can see on the screen. This flow has a little extra logic to make sure the things don't go off the rails. And once those are in place, we can add them as actions to the AI agent. And just like that, voila, you've got yourself an AI agent that can book installation appointments. And let's take it for a spin. First, as customer, I'll ask it for the status of an order. Boom, there's an answer. The agent classifies it under order management. Nice and clean. Now let's throw a new challenge. Ask the agent to schedule an installation for the order. And just like that, it switches the gears, reclassifies the topic, and asks for my preferred installation date. Exactly like I told it to. But let's get the things a little trickier. Let's reply tomorrow, knowing full well that's before the delivery date. It would then politely remind you that you can't schedule an installation before delivery. Now let's crank up the difficulty. How about Friday, but not in the morning? Pause for a second. That's a pretty complex request for most systems to process. But this is AI. It will understand the customer. Not only does it know which Friday the customer is talking about, it would also convert that date into the format the flow requires, checks available times, and since it said not morning, filters out the AM slot from the response. What just happened here? Beyond just topic classification, Agentforce use the entire conversation's context to create a dynamic plan. It called up the flow to retrieve the appointment times, understood Friday meant a specific date, and handled the no morning request like a pro. This is all because Agentforce gives the AI agent the freedom to reason within guardrails, making it flexible and smart enough to navigate complex situations without missing a beat. No clunky, pre programmed responses here, just dynamic problem solving. But what happens when I try to push the agent outside of its comfort zone? Let's see. Let's ask to do something totally unrelated. The agent's response, a polite redirect back to the task it's programmed to handle. Sorry, there's no freelancing here. And if you're wondering about safety, don't worry. Agentforce comes with built-in harm and toxicity detection. If someone is asking anything inappropriate, the agent will catch it, classify it, and refuse to engage. Go even further and try something malicious, like a prompt injection attack, and Agentforce will slam the door shut on that attempt faster than you can say hack. So, there you have it. This is the future of AI. Don't DIY your AI. Build your Agentforce. Building AI agents that don't just answer questions, they take action. They help drive customer success by doing the jobs they are designed for. That too across multiple channels, from scheduling appointments to safeguarding against malicious behavior. These AI agents know their stuff. And now, so do you.